Hello gardeners, welcome back to the channel. In this video we've got this ivy hedge to cut. It's not the most prettiest of hedges. The old fellow that lives here didn't want to pay too much for this hedge, so we'll just give it a quick trim, give it a quick once over, and hopefully made it look a little bit less unattractive. Let me know in the comments what you think, and I hope you enjoy the video. Have to be a bit careful here going round the lamppost. As you can see there now, the ivy is well and truly on its way up the lamppost. Here it is. My brother's cutting a separate edge next to this one. Quick change on the blade angle. Here's the old man now, he's actually doing some work today for a change. I've just bought him some long grabbers, so they're on the way. You can use them soon, it might make him work a bit quicker. Here's hoping. If you do like this content, guys, consider subscribing, hit the like button, comment below. It's a little bit less ugly now, I think. Thanks for watching, see you soon.